How to add this analog clock widget on your home screen on your Tecno Spark or Tecno Cam on smartphone. So in order to get this clock widget, the first thing you want to do is go to the Play Store and make sure you have the Google clock set up that gives you some pretty neat free clocks. When you're ready to add the widget after installing the clock widget by Google, long press a blank area on your home screen like this here. You'll see widgets right there. And as you tap on that here, you'll see these different widgets. You'll now see clock right here. This is the one for Google. And as you enter into it, you can browse across and look for the style that you want. If you want the one you saw earlier today in the video, which is the analog one here, you'll just simply tap on it or add to desktop. Then you will see this here show up and you can choose the different styles before you add it. Then once you select it, it's going to appear like this here. And if you back away like that here, you can now come back, long press, and resize it to make it bigger. Okay, and you have yourself your clock widget. Like and sub.